Today we're going to be using the original bushcraft grill and expedition fuel from Expedition Research, and this is the kit that has the one long grill and the short one, and we're going to be using the smaller one in this project today, and I hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Coyote Ridge. Today I'm just going to show you a little trick for if you're moving through the woods, or even if you're at a spot that you're going to camp and maybe recent rains have made the ground really soggy or anything, and you may not need to build a campfire right then or whatever, but say you do need to boil some water or cook a little something. This is a method you can use to get your fire up off the ground. You won't have to worry about it drawing moisture up from the ground. What I've done is I've just used a little grill, a little pack grill, and this is a small grill from Expedition Research, and I've wedged it in low into the fork of this tree. Then I've just broke off a stick here, put above it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my bank line, and I've tied a little toggle here stick that I'm going to use to hang my bush pot. We're going to come up here. I'm just going to set this up. Got our bush pot, and see you can run that right through your handle. Okay, now we have our bush pot suspended. And this platform is where we're either going to build a small fire, and if you're doing this when the conditions are really wet and damp, you may not have access to small stuff, and you may be in a situation where you're not taking the time to access the drier wood inside of pieces of wood you find. I'm going to use one of either two things. We can use now an alcohol stove, and that will work just fine. Or we can use another little implement from Expedition Research, and this is the Expedition Fuel. These are just compressed fuel tablets. They come sealed in a pack, and this is supposed to have a 100-year shelf life, so that's going to be something really good for, say, a kit or a bug out bag. We're just going to get into one of these, try and leave the others sealed. But if you've gathered some questionable water, and you don't feel comfortable with drinking or using to cook with, right off, which cooking you're gonna purify it anyway. But you can just add the water to your bush pot, being careful not to dump it loose there. Now we're going to light the fuel tablet. Block the wind here. Okay, the fuel tablet is lit. Adjusted the pot down some. And with this method, you will be able to boil, purify water off the ground, eliminating the use of building a platform for a campfire. These tablets are supposed to burn for approximately 15 minutes, and you get 4 in a pack, so there's roughly an hour. You know, I'm sure with up in the wind like this, it would probably burn up a little faster. But you know, you could make some kind of windscreen, which we've talked about using anyway with the alcohol stove. And that is going to be a way that you can purify your water quickly and off the ground. Remember, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just hit the button below and that will get you subscribed, and the little bell icon beside of it will give you notifications of whenever I put up a new video.